Talofa lover guys, welcome back to another episode, Sunday cooking episode here on our channel. It's great to have you guys back. Apologies, we've gone ahead a few steps only because ran a bit short of time, and I thought I might as well just get everything started. So got the umu on, taro's almost finished. We're doing a faiai today, so the skipjack tuna, gonna do a faiai, will be supo mamoe, and that's the only two. So I'm very looking forward to a very simple menu today, and I really hope you guys enjoy it as well. So also forgot to special shout out to our island members. Remember guys, we have island memberships on our channel, so if you'd like to support the channel, be sure to join our island memberships. But we're going to get started. I need to fillet the fish, so we're doing the suaku, not the suaku, faiai, but usually when my dad does it, he'll bake the fish before Sunday so that it's left to dry out a bit. We don't have that luxury of time at the moment, so I'm thinking because we might just boil it in water and then bring it out to dry and then break it into pieces and into the faiai. So I think that's a lot better given the short time that we have, but hopefully it all works out. I'm just going to get started on the coconuts now. I finish the taro and then hopefully get to the fish, and then mamoe will just be here. So everything is looking alright. It's just a matter of getting everything done before the actual time. See you guys soon. Alright guys, as I mentioned, it is a race against time at the moment. It'll probably be like that way poach, where you just poach. Just gonna poach it so that the flesh hardens up, and then we'll go right here, take it out whakaape, kung se apa, kau whakasiram kala shis, the kalo and the faiai for today, and the supo mamoe.
And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work. Got up this morning, look around and see the sun high. Grab my bag and take my phone. I shut the door and walk into the light. Oh yeah. And suddenly my phone is ringing. I can hear my boss shouting at me. You know what? He wants me to hurry, but I will not control my feet.
Alright guys, so I've just dropped in the yaku into the hot water just to poach it. Already it's looking good. You can already see the color change, which means we'll take it out in probably a minute. Don't want to keep it in there too long. Probably a minute or two. The mumu is still nice and hot, so that's good. Only thing left to do is to kakao the new, make it into the actual container that we're going to do the faiai, and then get the umu done, and then we'll move to the supo mamoe. So yeah, a little pressure, but very cool. Alright guys, I'll go pick out umu new, and then it's a bit hard at the moment before we go one. Oh, yeah, but it could go. It go one. Yeah, đang ngày đi xem em phải phải cá phải tu cả lên mấy cái câu có alu bê vạ bê.
It is so sweet under the sun, and even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. It is so sweet under the sun, and even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work.
I love the sun. I love the sun.
It is so sweet under the sun.
All right.
I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work.
It feels so good. I wanna tell you.
Alright guys, so almost on. Probably give it 40 minutes to an hour, because go pay like you in the end, plus you love a cow. Only because you with preparation or less. You left a love like a pick, so I would go walk with a cow. So we're just going to give it just a little bit longer, and then we should be okay. So, but we're going to get started on the mamoe now. The thing you use to sharp the knife with, the faiai or ili, bought yesterday from on Friday from Bluebird. Cost me $13. That's not bad. Since we were missing that in the house, but might as well buy one. And look at it. Sorry, and then I came Friday and Saturday for a maka umusa pero mga ifi. Eu o ngifi au leave ingat fa pak falo. Fa maka just in case. Bele o le nga fi fa maka ngai kwa maka kupa ngai fi ngai. Fa yo le ako ka punyo. O maka kupa ngai. Ya. Fa de mo ka ko. Pag may silo mai ngai fi. Ya ka ko kipil ka ko mamoe. Diba, may masinga mo sa karsus. Wala mo na may ayala sala ko. Wala mo may silo. Mo kam. Alright guys, so finally here in the kitchen, I'll show you guys something. So Roy has been really busy cleaning up the kitchen. See, it's a nice new format. Very nice and clean. Which, everything was a bit congested at the moment during our cooking sessions. It's very nice that it's all cleared up now. So, a lot more room for cooking. So big ups to Roy. End up the cook in the back there and around the house. But now we've got to chop up the mamoe and get it onto the heat. Jesse. How are you? Kuala oh. Tau I. If ko ako yo o mere rim kuka ko I whawhiro I kangaka. Ngā mai rau kūranga rau. O lai rau kūranga ngā mau. O lai rau kūranga ngā mau. Kusili. Awala. Eke mo. So, Pascali. Eke ia wan kausanga fu. Oh. Ngā lungi on me laf povi mo laf mang. Oh. Me reke leka miki. Oh. Ai. Aisha. Aisha ura so swangi ka kuka. Oh. Koe me uri oh. Right, so I've just finished cutting up the onions. We ran out of chicken, so there was no chicken in the fridge. But see, I've found something that looks like beef. So we're just going to check. See, I've just going to check if it's actual beef. What the fuck all that? So we've just confirmed it's actually beef. Cow heart, I think. It might be pig. I'm just gonna go double check, but we'll see what we can do with it. Gotta go improvise. Alright guys, we're just heading with the kids to grab some. So we found out since it was a beef heart and some liver, I think we might do just a bit of a stir fry. So we're heading to a shop where I know they have the actual pasta for the stir fry, but also some small things that we're looking for to actually make the dish today. So yeah. Right guys, so we just got back from the shop. It's been a little over an hour now since we got home, so we're gonna go food now and then see how we did. Yeah. Alelua kalolai I kau vela saka hoinga. E ranga I pui ang maa hoinga, so that's why it's a bit looks a bit you know, sakaish, if that's a word. But faiai aku mea ko pa don't want really. I would have wanted a bit more burnt, but that's good. Meshilo vela. Alright, so now that the was done, we made pretty good time. It's a little after 9 now, it's 9:15. So I think I'm working me and o kamal farsa. Wala ba vela. Oh. But just the mamoe left, and then I'm gonna start with the cattle heart. We're not gonna let the family know what we're about to cook, this contraption we're about to make, but we'll just see if it's well accepted. Alright guys, so we finally checked it out. It is beef heart, so the cow heart that we'll be working with. We also the liver, so I placed that back inside because I don't know how to work with the liver. I've never actually tried cooking liver, the cow liver that is. But if you do have any recipes, do let me know, and I'll see what I can do next time. But I think we'll go with the heart for now because I have worked on the heart before. If you guys see this episode, so yeah, I think we can do it again. Finished up the heart. You guys see it's got a decent amount of fat on it, so it's a really good piece of meat. Most of this is all muscle. You guys know the heart, throughout its lifetime, it's mostly pumping blood. From the time you're about probably 1 month old in the stomach, when it starts beating, from a few thousand cells all the way up till you're dead. So that's why you see the meat for the heart. It's actually quite very strong because that's the heart muscles. Alright, so we're just gonna add just a small bit of water. We just want to cook it a bit, then it starts frying, then we start adding in the goodies. But I've also got to get the pasta onto the heat now. So the beef is coming along nice, almost reduced down to an oil. I'm going to pop in the pasta now, so that the pasta cooks just in time to be thrown into the beef. Let it finger. Yeah. Wat vinger? Ja, wat is het? Is mij. Is jij de makkelijk YouTube? What are you doing? Oh, Alpha, ik ga dit doen op YouTube. Okay. Yeah, okay. Alright guys, she's frying, and take a look at this. Ooh, so good. So now we're just gonna add in onion and garlic, and then we'll add in a bit of oyster sauce, a bit of flour and water mix. Thicken it up, and then we'll add in the pasta. This actually smells really good. I added a lot of black pepper. Well, not a lot, but just enough. Pasta is almost ready, so. Alright guys, we were just waiting for it to fry a little bit, just so that the garlic and the onion has, you know, cooked properly. And now it's starting to fry. You see it's a decent amount of oil just from the heart. But we also added a little bit of the lamb oil there. So see, just a little bit of that to help out. Nothing goes to waste. Just a lot of recycling. So now we're going to add in oyster sauce, and then we'll throw in the flour and water mix. Oh man, it smells so amazing now. Oh again, good heavens, what have I done? So good. What's up? Ooh. Now the reason why we added that is we just wanted to thicken up it. Ave, koi ki masin ka maidea. Come out there. You see how it's starting to get a bit of a gravy? That's what we want. Come out there. I mean, this on its own is already good, but I want to add in a bit of pasta because the kids love it with pasta. So pasta it is. Bakso. Ini ke umuso mai.
Lefainga maso pasta ilokbo.
Ya?
Lefainga maso pasta ilokbo.
Kau ko fo pe manga ya.
Mangaya.
Oh yeah. So, right, we've got the thumbs up, so I think we're good. I think we're all done now, guys. Tori koe aso po. Yung nga ni organic okay ay iwe mao. Fia oi pasta. Mana ya? All right. So we're now finished with toonai. We're just gonna wait for all the family because we finished off pretty early today. It's a little after 10:30. So I'm thinking, you know, I probably could have made it go church, but maybe we'll try again next Sunday. And that time we'll try to make it a church. But we're done now. I'm gonna get the results ready for you guys. Alright guys, so we finally come to the end of our episode. I'm going to show you guys the results, and I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as I did making it. So let's start now.
Okay, on this side we've got our faiai yaku. Pia woshi kirin you would faiai kaule mosinga faiai one, but it's alright. We've also got our taro, our stir fry, beef heart, and our mamoe. Very simple, just water, onion, and salt. But the faiai yaku, I think we did pretty well given the fact that usually you leave it to dry, so that's why you try and cook it the day before. But we did it at that time, so I think we did pretty well for that. So that's our Sunday cooking, guys. I hope you guys enjoying it. Well, I mean, not enjoying it, but hope you guys like it. I'm about to sign off now and enjoy the toonai, guys. Just want to say thank you again for the support, guys. We've got a very nice episode coming up, probably tomorrow or the day after. It is the segment that I've been trying to make for the past few months, but I'm really busy, and that's when I go around and start looking at the different farmers, but with particular interests to young farmers here in Samoa. So I'll show you guys the picture there of our upcoming episode, the first of many episodes to come. So I hope you guys will enjoy that as well once it comes out, so keep a lookout for that. But I'm going to enjoy Sunday tonight now with the family. I hope you guys have a very blessed week. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, if you've enjoyed our content today. Have a great week, guys, and we'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. We'll see you guys soon.